Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Tech Avro. Hope you guys having a nice day. In this video I'm going to show you how can you delete a playlist on Spotify 2024. So to delete a playlist on Spotify, just launch your Spotify app. Now in the bottom third option here you can see your library. Click on it. And after clicking on the library, here you will see all of your playlists are here. I'm just clicking on this playlist, and to delete this playlist you can just click on this three dot icon, and here you can see there is option which is called delete playlist. This one, just click on it and just click on delete, this green option, and by this your playlist will be deleted. So guys, that's how you can delete playlist on Spotify. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find it helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Tech Avro. Thank you so much for watching the video.